Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce. My name is Muhammad Fakhri Raihan. My student identification number is 15 2023 02661 from class A 159204. I will interpret the elements in the picture titled The Mother Nature. In an image entitled The Mother Nature, there are several images. Each part of the image has a deep meaning or message to be conveyed. The message conveyed in the image of the Mother Nature has a meaning about the battle between nature and humans, which represents civilization. This image shows beautiful colors and natural themes contrasting with the gray and metallic world of a man-made industrial city. There is a picture of a woman's face crying because a gun is being pointed in front of her. Then in the picture of a woman there is a picture of nature and everything in it, which consists of forests, mountains, rivers, and flying birds. Then the background of the image is like a cloudy sky and full of dust caused by air pollution. Meanwhile, in a firearm, the gun pointing at the woman's face has an image of a building or city, a man's hand holding the gun, then the lips on the tip of the gun, and a sharp knife which is also pointing at the face of the woman in front of him. This image can be interpreted literally and non-literally. The denotational or literal meaning of the image is a man's hand holding a gun to the face of a woman who appears to be carrying nature and crying because she is about to be killed. The image is a powerful expression of humanity's lack of respect and concern for the nature that feeds it. The connotative meaning can represent the battle between nature and humans. The gun pointed at the woman's face seems to represent a man-made industrial city, and the woman seems to symbolize the natural world being slowly destroyed by the activities of civilization. The connotation of these images are very strong because they convey deep and complex issues related to humanity and nature, but can be interpreted on many levels. This image depicts the destructive nature of humans who threaten nature through industrialization. The image of a knife in a gun means humans cutting down trees, industrial smoke polluting the sky, and dumping chemical waste into rivers and streams, which has a negative impact on nature. The woman represents the beautiful and bright colors of nature, which signify the preservation of the earth for life. This is contrasted by the gray and metallic color of the gun, which represents the city, and the smoke, which is the pollution choking the ceiling. The man's hand was burned and mangled as he held the gun in front of the woman. Not only did he destroy nature, he also destroyed himself. The stream of tears streaming down the woman's face or the cliff face expresses the anxiety that will occur if change is not implemented. The bird flying around the mountain symbolizes life and the need for fresh air, trees, and water to survive. The dark color of the gun symbolizes strength by using the gun as a symbol to emphasize fear. Firearms symbolize violence with loud and sharp sounds aimed at injuring other people. The smoke rising from the gun symbolizes the pollution that arises from big cities and can be interpreted as humans exercising power over nature and at the same time causing damage. Another interpretation can be found in the ironic angle of the image, which clearly shows nature looming large above the handheld gun. This can depict a sense of power in nature that may be greater than the threat of man-made development and provide a sense of hope for the natural world until the trigger is actually pulled. The Mother Nature, or commonly known as Mother Earth, is a personification of nature that focuses on the life-giving and nurturing aspects of nature by embodying them in the form of a mother. The Mother Nature can be interpreted as a Mother Earth, which is the national personification of Indonesia. Since prehistoric times, various ethnic groups in the Nusantara have respect natural spirits and the power of the earth. They liken her to a mother who gives life as a goddess of nature and the environment. The events that occur in the picture are events in the present, where infrastructure development and human activities ironically do not care about environmental sustainability, which can cause detrimental impacts on the ecosystem and human life itself, both directly and indirectly. The consequences of natural destruction are loss of biodiversity, shortage of natural resources, climate change, environmental pollution, and economic losses. Events in the history of human civilization that threaten the preservation of nature have occurred throughout various eras and civilizations, which can be characterized by the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries, which accelerated the exploitation of natural resources and was further exacerbated by the chemical industrial revolution in the 19th and 20th centuries, where chemical and synthetic substances were used in agriculture, industry, and consumers. The incident occurred due to the extraction of natural resources in unsustainable quantities. In addition, human population growth and rapid urbanization are causing the expansion of cities and the development of human infrastructure into natural areas. Apart from that, ignorance and lack of awareness of the importance of protecting the environment can also cause further damage. Solution to overcome this problem with cooperation and joint efforts from various parties, including individuals, government, industry, and community organizations, by creating technological innovation to reduce negative impacts on the environment through the use of renewable energy to reduce pressure on the environment. Other actions include good management and conservation of natural resources and habitat restoration to maintain ecosystem balance and biodiversity. By increasing public awareness about the importance of protecting nature and then implementing environmental policies to encourage community participation so they can collaborate and work together to overcome problems that occur in the environmental. That's all my explanation about the exploitation of the image of the Mother Nature. Thank you for your attention.